Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can filter Facebook Marketplace by most recent. So first of all, if we just head over to our Facebook app, from here we will need to, navigate to the Marketplace. So click on the three lines in the top right corner, click on Marketplace right there, or go to Marketplace wherever it is on your device. Once you are here, and let's just say we are searching for, let's just say we're searching for a PS5 right here, just for this example. And then what you can do now is you can click on the filters option right there in the top right. And then once you do this, as you can see, there now will be an option for date listed. So what we've got is we've got any last 24 hours, 7 days and 30 days. So if you want to filter by most recent, you can then go ahead, click on last 24 hours, click on see listings, and then what that will do, it will show you all of the most recent items that have been listed in the last 24 hours. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.